When to exactly sell a stock. As I told you, you need to know something about the stock before even considering selling it. Obviously, that is not enough. There are some more things you can do. Always remember, do not sell because of greed. If you need to make quick money, just stay away from the game. Trust me, selling is much more difficult than buying. Do not sell obviously because just of technicals. Try to look at fundamentals. Because obviously that is what is more important in the game. You want to avoid questions like what if I didn't sell this for that. Don't think about that. But if you sold, there is a purpose. Obviously you need to use the money for something else. Trust me, you will never catch the bottom, of course, so don't even try to do that. So when I actually like to sell, I like to sell when I see the stock is not innovative enough, when the growth is not sustainable, or when I see there is no more reason to keep the stock, or something else, maybe the fact that the price is higher than its peers for no reason at all. Perhaps when the price is driven by speculators. Obviously you need to avoid taking a loss for as long as you can, because this will improve your mindset and other stuff, of course. You will practice patience and relax. Try to never lose money. Of course this is not always possible, but it's very important. Dividend stocks in this case help, because if you are losing money, dividends can make up for it. Another reason people sell is when they move from one job to another, or when they start to study. Then you want to go from growth stocks in dividend stocks or indexes. Obviously, if you find the time, you can do anything you want. You can also sell on bankruptcies or mergers. In this case, you can take a look at the news, which is very overlooked because there are many people in your situation. So it is easy to find someone else that can give you opinions. Also accept the scenario where you may lose money or you sell and the stock shoots up. It happens, you're not perfect. Of course, clear your mind, don't think about it. Just promise yourself maybe that you'll do more research next. Maybe this is too much, but just focus on the research and learn from losses. Some other reasons to sell may be the PE ratio, which is significantly higher than the average. When you see a revenue decline in a company, it can mean a reduced demand. Another one may be the fact they are cutting costs, even though sometimes this means they are rebuilding. Buffett loves this, so just don't rely on this. Remember all the things you saw, and hope it helped. See you in the next video.